Welcome to today's financial analysis segment. In this episode, we're diving into the fascinating world of VinFast Auto Limited's share price. Let's begin. As of latest market close, VinFast stock is trading at $17.99 per share. VinFast Auto Limited, a prominent player in the automotive industry, has been attracting significant attention from investors worldwide. To make informed investment decisions, it's crucial to conduct a comprehensive analysis. Today, we'll explore its recent performance and potential future outlook. An investing hub. Let's start with the technical analysis. Looking at VinFast's historical price data, we can see some key trends. The stock has shown a consistent upward trajectory over the past year, indicating strong bullish sentiment. Chart patterns also reveal valuable insights. Recently, VinFast's stock formed a cup and handle pattern, which suggests a potential bullish continuation. However, always remember that patterns are not guarantees, but they provide useful guidance. Identifying resistance and support levels is crucial. VinFast's current resistance level is at $18, and the support level is at $17. These levels can help you set entry and exit points. Moving averages can provide additional insights. The 50-day and 200-day moving averages indicate the stock's short-term and long-term trends, respectively. A golden cross, where the 50-day crosses above the 200-day, is a bullish signal. Now, let's discuss future targets. Analysts suggest that VinFast has substantial growth potential. Based on current trends and market sentiment, the short-term target is estimated at $E, while the long-term target could reach $W. But remember, these are only projections, and actual results may vary. It's essential to have a stop-loss strategy in place to manage risk. Given VinFast's volatility, setting a stop-loss at 5% below your entry point can help protect your investment. In conclusion, VinFast Auto Limited's share price has displayed impressive growth potential. However, investing always carries risks, so do your research, diversify your portfolio, and consider your risk tolerance before making any decisions. That wraps up our analysis of VinFast Auto Limited's share price. Remember, the financial markets are dynamic, and it's crucial to stay updated with the latest news and trends. Thanks for joining us today, and happy investing.